English idioms and meanings. Idiom.
Weather the storm.
Meaning.
Go through something difficult.
Idiom.
Well begun is half done.
Meaning.
Getting a good start is important.
Idiom.
When it rains it pours.
Meaning.
Everything is going wrong at once.
Idiom.
You can catch more flies with honey than you can with vinegar.
Meaning.
You'll get what you want by being nice.
Idiom.
You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink.
Meaning.
You can't force someone to make the right decision.